Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tatiaunna. In today's video, I'm about to show you how I installed this super cute hairstyle by Ashimary Hair. Y'all, I am in love with this style. There was no curling whatsoever, so I believe that this is super beginner friendly. I hope you babes enjoy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right into the video. So I'm going to use this liquid mousse from Fantasia because I just want to get the hairs out of the way while I actually, get the lace down. And this isn't super strong to where to permanently, leave the hair like that. So when you're cutting the side, make sure that you're not cutting the band of the actual wig. Once you cut off that extra lace that you don't need, that band should be able to just pop right behind your ear. So I'm gonna do it to the other side. So what I'm doing is I am feeling for my ear, which is pretty easy to find. And I'm gonna part, and I'm just gonna follow my actual ear where I feel, my ear is starting at. That's gonna give me the guide to how much to cut off. And also how much to part away before cutting. So cute. I'm not going to use my hot comb to lay my hair, my side part. I'm just going to get some foam. I'm going to hold my hair down and blow dry it on high heat. Felicity. Oh, she is cute. I haven't even finished it. I just unravel and just to see it with the makeup and the top. Yes. Y'all, this is how the wig came. I did not curl it, not one bit. All I did was cut at it, and all we did was curl the little pieces that we wanted to be our soft hairs, okay? That does not count. So this is a beginner friendly install. Let's do a little bit of sculpting. I'm gonna use the wet brush just to do it because I can't find my other powder brush. I just moved, so everything is still in boxes and bins. Like I'm talking about, I haven't even been in this apartment for not even 5 days. But I had to film, had to give y'all a cute look starting for fall. So I think my favorite time of the year would have to be fall. Like it's not too cold, it's like a nice crisp, you know, the colors. I just love it. This is too cute. It is giving hot mama. Yes. Make sure all of the pieces that I want to be cut are cut. Let's see. Ashimary, baby, y'all showed all the way out with this wig. Thank you for sending this to me. Y'all, you gotta get you this wig, okay? Y'all saw I did not curl it. It's like an instant wand. No, it's an instant flexi rod look. All I did to make sure that the curls stayed defined was cut at the loose straggly ends. We want it to be full from the beginning to the end. And look at that curl right there. That's cute. I want that to stick out.